Hello everyone, welcome to our tour of the purchase flow of our menu UI. It is a user-friendly interface with an intuitive menu layout that allows end users to easily find products. It is highly recommended for food ordering and vending operations. The sales UI consists of several components. First is the signage. The central section is the sales UI. To give you a clearer view of our vending machine sales interface, let's start by removing the signage. This will allow us to focus on the key components of the sales UI. End users can simply change the languages by tapping the language icon. After the end user selects the language, they can use their most comfortable language to continue the purchase journey. End users can start by browsing our categories. Just tap on any category to see what's available. They can scroll through and would like to search for a specific item. Simply use our search feature. They may tap the search icon at the top of the screen, and they can type in the name of the product they are looking for. This will quickly filter the options to show exactly what they need. Once the end user finds the products, he or she can click on them and will see multiple product detail images that will assist the end user in whether want to purchase the products. It can be a description and nutritional info. And customers can see the product more clearly as the images will be displayed larger. The bottom section will display personalized recommendations tailored to the end user's interests, helping them discover products that complement their selection or align with their preferences. Once the end user selects the products, they can add them to the cart. The cart will update to reflect the number of items that have chosen, and they can always review, add, or remove items as needed. Once the customer makes a decision, they can select from various payment methods, such as cashless options or e-wallets, QR code. Once the payment is confirmed, those items will be dispensed. After the purchase, end users have several options to get the receipt. They can choose to simply scan a QR code to get the e-receipt directly on their phone, sent as an e-receipt to their email, or to have it printed locally at the vending machine. This flexibility ensures the end users have the receipt in the format that works best for them. If end users come across anything that needs assistance, no worries. Just click the Help Ticket button down there. They can submit a help ticket right here. Just fill out a brief form with the issue, and the support team will take care of the rest. If no one interacts with the screen, it will automatically expand to full screen and display advertisements. Passing customers can view the ads until they decided to purchase by touching the screen. Thanks for watching.